Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical garden tool organizer, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Garden Tool Organizer, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garden tool organizers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Kingarage Garden Tool Organizer. Introducing the Kingarage Garden Tool Organizer, the ultimate solution for keeping your garage, shed, or backyard neatly organized. This heavy-duty tool rack can hold over 58 tools, including garden tools, lawn tools, farm tools, and even cleaning supplies like mops, brooms, and string trimmers. It's perfect for helping you easily sort, organize, and access your tools. Crafted from durable coated steel, this organizer is built to last, providing strong support for indoor and outdoor use without the worry of collapsing like plastic alternatives. The innovative design features G-hooks for electric tools and D-grip handles, height-adjustable feet for uneven ground, and a rubber mat to protect tool heads. Assembly is a breeze, taking just minutes with the included hardware and instructions. With a compact size of 28-inch length, 21.7-inch wide, 28.4-inch height, it's the perfect fit for any space. Number 2. Mythinglogic Garden Tool Organizer. Introducing the Mythinglogic Garden Tool Organizer, a versatile storage solution for organizing your garage, basement, or shed. This multifunctional organizer is perfect for holding all kinds of garden tools, shovels, rakes, lawn tools, and cleaning supplies like mops and brooms. With a large capacity, it features 4 movable hooks, 16 tool racks on both sides, and a back tool rack for long and short-handled tools. The front section includes additional racks and mesh bins, ideal for garden and car wash tools. Designed with heavy-duty 3-inch wheels, this organizer easily moves through deep grass, making it convenient to transport tools from indoors to outdoors. Made from durable coated steel, it offers a stable and sturdy construction, ensuring long-lasting performance. Assembly is quick and easy with the included instructions. The compact size of 25.5-inch length, 15.8-inch wide, 37.8-inch height makes it a perfect fit for any storage space. Number 3. Sttoraboks Garden Tool Organizer. Introducing the Sttoraboks Garden Tool Organizer, the smart solution for efficient tool storage and organization. With 35 versatile tool slots, this organizer accommodates a wide range of gardening, lawn, and cleaning tools while maintaining a compact footprint. Its unique storage holes are designed to hold various sizes of tools, simplifying your gardening and cleaning tasks. Constructed from high-quality all-metal steel, the Sttoraboks organizer is both rust and corrosion resistant, ensuring durability for both indoor and outdoor use. Unlike plastic racks, it won't collapse under pressure, making it a reliable addition to your tool storage solutions. Weighing just 3 kilograms, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to move, while the simple assembly process, complete with screws and a clear instruction manual, allows you to set it up in minutes. Measuring 17-inch length, 12-inch wide, 29-inch height, it fits seamlessly into garages, gardens, and sheds. Enjoy a more organized space with Sttoraboks. Number 4. Kingarage Garden Tool Organizer. Introducing the Kingarage Garden Tool Organizer, your ultimate solution for efficient tool storage and organization. This multifunctional organizer can hold up to 50 garden tools, including yard tools, farm tools, lawn tools, and cleaning equipment, all while maintaining a compact size. Its height-adjustable feet make it suitable for uneven ground, making it perfect for garages, gardens, sheds, and outdoor spaces. Constructed from durable coated steel, this heavy-duty tool storage solution is built to last, ensuring resistance to rust and corrosion compared to plastic alternatives. The design features a combination of square holes and 2 types of side hooks, allowing for versatile storage of various tool sizes and styles. With easy assembly instructions included, you can set up your Kingarage organizer in no time. Measuring 15-inch length, 15-inch wide, 27.2-inch height, it's a practical addition to any tool storage area. Get organized and make your gardening tasks more efficient with Kingarage. Number 5. DAOUTIME Garden Tool Organizer. Introducing the DAOUTIME Garden Tool Organizer, the ultimate solution for decluttering your gardening space. Featuring 35 tool slots and 3 movable hooks, this versatile organizer provides ample capacity while maintaining a compact design. It's perfect for various tools, from gardening and lawn equipment to cleaning supplies, accommodating different sizes and styles with ease. Constructed from high-quality steel, this durable organizer is built to withstand both indoor and outdoor use, offering rust and corrosion resistance compared to plastic alternatives. Its innovative design includes 4 universal wheels for easy mobility across thick grass, and built-in brakes ensure stability when stationary. With height-adjustable feet for uneven ground, the DAOUTIME organizer is adaptable to any environment. Assembly is quick and straightforward with included instructions, allowing for customization to fit your specific need. Measuring 11.8-inch length, 16.9-inch wide, 31.2-inch height, it's the perfect addition to enhance your gardening efficiency and enjoyment. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.